It's spring, summer finally, and it's time to really bring your wardrobes up to date. And for you, I've selected my top 10 must-haves that you can easily incorporate into your wardrobe this season. Starting off with a pair of shorts. Now, shorts were hot off the catwalk, and here I've chosen these shorts, which I quite like because they've got a bit of volume to them, so very wearable for work or casual. They've got a tie waist, and you'll see this paper bag tie waist all over the high street, so again ticking off another trend. And then it's got this check print all over, very flattering, great for workwear, and again checks also being another spring summer trend, so it's almost ticking off 3 trend items in one item. And here's how to style it for your spring summer look. So here I'm in the shorts with the tie waist, fabulous for emphasizing a waist, and I think it's a great item to have introduced for your workwear wardrobe. You've all got skirts just above the knee, so why not a pair of shorts, much more comfortable and very on trend for the season. And I've teamed it with a pop of color for the bold brights. Again, you could wear it just like this to the office, or even great meeting your friends for lunch. And if you wanted something a little more conservative, a little smarter, just adding a tailored black blazer, again, we'll just give it that workwear update for the season. So it's a really lovely look to wear for spring summer 18, and something that's very transitional, so whether it's raining or sunny, it's a great look and a great piece to introduce in your spring summer wardrobe. Next up on your spring summer must-have list needs to be something lilac, and for that I've picked out this lilac knit from Zara. Very simple, basic, an easy update that you can integrate into anyone's lifestyle, anyone's wardrobe, and it'll really give it that lift for spring summer 18. So I'm wearing lilac, not my favorite color, but I really love it in this look. Now, on the catwalks, we saw a lot of lilac, but we also saw a lot of pastel. And so I've teamed the lilac with a pink pastel blazer because I think it just takes the edge off the lilac and makes it a little bit more wearable for me. And I've teamed it with white jeans because, again, that's going to lift the lilac, and some rose gold Converse, which is perfect for the school run. So all you mums out there, this is a great look to wear on the school run. And then every spring, summer, we always time to really get bright. The sun's out. You want to feel the color in the air. And for that, I've chosen this really bright pop of apple green. Probably not a color most of you have in your wardrobe, which is why I've picked it out, but I think it's a really fabulous way to liven up your spring, summer wardrobe. And I'm going to show you how to style some fabulous looks around that. So here I've got the bright apple green, and instead of mixing it with white jeans, blue jeans, or black jeans, which is the logical go-to, I've teamed it with bright fuchsia pink jeans. Bit of color blocking going on. Very much the way to wear the bold brights this season, and I love it. I think it makes it look so much more interesting and exciting. And I've teamed it with bright pink shoes, being a pear shape. I just wanted to keep that color going down the leg and not create another focal point from the bright green top. And then just accessorize with a little leopard belt, which I think just finishes it off perfectly. If you're going to invest in a bright, then the message is wear your brights together. Go bold or go home. My next update for your spring summer wardrobe is something with polka dots, and for that I've chosen this very simple poplin dress from Zara. Great item to have for work, for the weekend, for lunching. It's just a really easy piece to wear, and I'll show you how. So here's the dotty dress, which is super fun. I think it's a great workwear piece. I've teamed it with black tights because I'm not a big fan of my legs, and it's got a bit of a short hemline, but you can absolutely go bare-legged with this. If you do want to wear it to work, then probably with a bit of tights. I've belted it because I'm being a pear shape, need to show off my waist, but again, you could also leave it completely loose if you'd rather not emphasize your tummy area. And then I've teamed it with bright orange accessories. Don't have to keep it monochrome. You can spruce it up with a bit of color. And if you do need to be a little bit more formal, or it's a little chillier, you can always add a blazer as well to finish it off for a really fun update on a work look for the season. And then ruffles are carrying on from autumn, winter into spring, summer. And to illustrate that trend, I've chosen this really pretty ruffle skirt. Can you see the ruffle detail running across the skirt from Warehouse? And it's also got a nod to the ditzy floral prints that we're seeing very much on the high street as well. Again, a very simple, easy, floaty, feminine piece for your wardrobe this spring, summer. So here I'm in this gorgeous ruffle skirt from Warehouse, so flirty, so feminine, and so on trend for the season. And I've teamed it with this very simple yellow t-shirt from Mint Velvet and finished it off with gold accessories. But I'm wearing heels because I love wearing heels, but you don't have to wear it with heels. Don't think to wear the skirt it needs heels. It absolutely could be done with flat sandals, trainers. Great for the school run, great for a work meeting, throw on a blazer, or for a date night with husband. So really fabulous investment, on-trend piece to have in your wardrobe this season. And you've probably heard the buzzword on the street is rainbow brights. Not always easy to find on the high street, and so for that I've chosen this handkerchief skirt from Topshop with the orange, the black and the white. It's a nod to the rainbow. It's not quite a rainbow, but it's also on trend in terms of the handkerchief asymmetric hemline and also the stripes running in all different directions. So it ticks quite a few boxes in terms of trend factors. Again, a lovely piece to wear, and it's all about the skirt this season. So definitely time to invest in a skirt if you don't own many. So here I'm in the stripy asymmetric hemline, nod to rainbow stripes, but not quite rainbow stripes, but you get the drift. This is the high street interpretation of rainbow stripes, and I'm loving this asymmetric, almost handkerchief hem with the stripes going in all different directions. It's incredibly flattering, again, for all body shapes. Would look fantastic with a pair of trainers or flat sandals. I've put it with my favorite orange heels because I think it just kind of sets it off really well. And I've teamed it with a very simple cami. Again, you could wear it with a t-shirt and then put on a black biker leather jacket. Again, another must-have piece for anyone's wardrobe really, and it gives it more of a rock chic vibe. But again, a blazer would work equally well. So a very versatile, pretty, feminine. It's light, it's carefree, and it's a really easy wearable piece for the school run or for a dinner party. And building on the bold brights theme, red is very much at the forefront this spring summer. So it's almost separate to the brights, I would say. Invest in something red for your spring summer wardrobe. And yes, it's hot out there, but it's still a lovely color to have. And let's face it, with this climate in the UK, you can pretty much wear red all year round. And for that, I've chosen this double-breasted blazer. Double breasting, very much another trend look for the season. And this is a really wearable red that you can easily integrate into your work wardrobe, or great for an evening out over a pair of jeans. So here's the red double-breasted blazer. You could wear it closed. I've broken it up a bit with a floral shell blouse underneath and some white cigarette crop trousers, a key trouser shape for the season, and teamed it with bright pink coats, red and pink mixed together being another key trend color mix for the season. This is a really fabulous look that you could wear to work. You could wear it out to lunch on Sunday with friends, and I think the red double-breasted blazer again could be teamed with jeans, it could be teamed with leather jeggings, a very lovely, good staple to introduce in your wardrobe, and will take you all the way through to autumn, winter as well. In terms of a jeans update, I'm still very much clinging to my skinnies, but it's very much all about the wide leg denim, and also the dark denim. Indigo denim is very much the way to go if you want a denim update this season. So here I've got a very dark indigo denim wide leg jean. So you can see how wide these legs are. Quite challenging to wear, so I'll show you how to style a look around that. So here I'm wearing the darkest and the widest jeans I've ever put on. So very on trend, super exaggerated wide leg indigo jeans. Quite hard to wear, I must be honest. Not sure I'm going to be throwing my skinnies out just yet, but here's how to wear it. Very important to keep the top half quite fitted so that we don't look too voluminous all the way up and down. So I've teamed it with a little corset fitted top, which is actually old, it's not new, but I thought it worked quite well with these jeans. A simple cream blazer, again, you could put it with a leather jacket or a cardigan or whatever really floats your boat. And then finished off with this yellow bag from Cara Millen and orange court shoes from Dew. And I think it's a fun look. It's great for holidays. And yeah, you can pull off dark, wide leg denim. Just need to be more creative about how you wear it and where you're going in it. The boiler suit was very much a trend item on the catwalk, but that's kind of been translated into the more wearable jumpsuit on the high street. And you will see jumpsuits everywhere. So if you haven't embraced it up until now, then this is the time to do it. And try not get a black one. For today, I've chosen this fabulous bamboo print warehouse blue jumpsuit, which is so versatile and can really go from desk to dinner. And I'll show you how to do a look around that. So definitely time to invest in a jumpsuit this spring, summer if you hadn't already, and definitely go for the kick flare. When it comes to effortless dressing, nothing beats a jumpsuit. And this is probably one of my favorite out of my top 10 Monday must-haves. It's from Warehouse. It's got this lovely bamboo print on it. It's got the wide floaty leg, but really fitted on top. And to be honest, there's nowhere you couldn't wear this jumpsuit. Here I've styled it quite simply with a cream blazer and again gold metallic accessories in terms of a clutch bag and summer shoes and a simple necklace to boot. But really take the belt off, change the jacket, put it with trainers or flats, put it with a sun hat and sunnies. There's just a number of ways that you can wear it. It's a great investment purchase for the season. And if you don't own a jumpsuit, this is the time to get one. And if you are worried about lumps and bumps, then I suggest going for one with the print will do the job. And last but not least on my top 10 for your spring-summer wardrobe is a bum bag. Now the bum bags started coming into trend a few seasons ago, but they're clearly very much to stay. And they're getting bigger and more bolder and more statement as they go. So if you're looking for a bag update, then the bum bag is definitely a great place to start. So this is a look not for the faint-hearted, but I think fashion is supposed to be fun, and it's working double denim, which is also another look that we see on the catwalks a lot. And I've got the wide crop flare this time. Quite fun and very easy and comfy to wear for spring, summer, I have to say. Teamed it with trainers, great for the school run option, or just going to the park on a summer day. Denim jacket to boot, haven't worn one of these for a while, but I have to say I'm quite liking it. And then we have simple t-shirt with fun banana look, and we have a bum bag. This has got to be a really secure look, really practical bag. It's so much fun. I feel so much younger, and I think it's something we've all got to give a go this season. So that's my top 10 that you need to have in your spring-summer wardrobe. I hope you found that useful, and I hope some of the looks are giving you some style inspiration that can really get you thinking about how you can take last season's spring-summer wardrobe and really give it that must-have injection of flair for this season.